On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2018 Forest River Georgetown 36B5, where luxury meets the open road. With its aerodynamic design and spacious slide-outs, this motorhome stands for comfort and efficiency. Enjoy your favorite movies or games under the stars, with the outdoor TV. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a welcoming main entry and living area. The entry and cockpit area have plenty of overhead storage space, and you will take command of the road from the comfortable pilot and co-pilot seats. And just behind the cockpit is the spacious living area, perfect for entertaining guests or just unwinding after a long day on the road. Prepare meals and cook up your favorite dishes with ease in the fully equipped kitchen. Catch up on your favorite shows and enjoy a cool drink or snack from the residential-size fridge. Gather around the dining table for delicious meals, memorable conversations, or even a favorite family board game. Or you can relax in ultimate comfort on the plush, reclining couch. Sleeping arrangements are a breeze with the double bunk area, perfect for kids or guests. And just across the hall, freshen up in the guest bathroom, complete with all the amenities you need, including a corner shower with skylight. And when it's time to retire for the night, retreat to the main bedroom. Stretch out and relax on the luxurious king bed, and stay organized with ample wardrobe space surrounding the TV. Finally, freshen up in the spacious main bathroom, featuring a large shower with sliding textured glass door, mirrored medicine cabinet, and plenty of linen storage. Make this luxury coach your home away from home on the open road. With its panoramic front view of the road, the Georgetown 36B5 promises adventure and comfort at every turn. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.